Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hey my little buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are good and in good health, having a good time. Today we have a new topic on Fun Drawing with Piyali and a very exciting one. Well, I just want to ask you, have you ever dreamed of getting your jungle kit on and going exploring to see what you will find? Well, you can of course now. But here we will explore the jungle with you, so you will be all jungled up. We will draw a very beautiful jungle scenery with cute animals. Are you all excited? I know you can't wait and seems very excited. So let's make a start. Fact number 1. Did you know that only 6% of the land on earth is covered by jungles and rainforests? But amazingly, half of all species live there. That's amazing. Fact number 2. Jungles are home to a vast range of animals like monkeys, tigers, giraffe, elephant, like we are drawing today. One of the prettiest plants in the world are called fairy queen plants. We can find it in jungle. These plants are purple and are very expensive to buy. So these are not like you can see everywhere, but we can find it only in the jungle. The largest flower in the world, 3.3 feet across, grows in the jungle only. Fact number 3. Jungle get excessive rainfall during the wet season, during the monsoon. But temperature can reach up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, because jungles are located in areas that are warm and close to the equator. Fact number 4. Jungles are found on the edges of rainforests mostly. The jungle is different than the rainforest, means both rainforest and jungles are different, because it allows more light to get on the floor of the jungle. In the rainforest, the canopy is so thick that hardly any lights get to the floor. In the jungle, the trees are still thick, but the daylight get to the jungle floor. And now the last one, fact number 5. Scientists found over 200 species of ants on a single tree in the jungle. There are so many ants on the jungle floor that combined they would weigh 4 times more than all of the mammals in the jungle. That's incredible. And there are so many facts and so many amazing things to learn about jungle that we can go on and on. But I think we should concentrate on the drawings as well, so that we can draw it so cutely. So my cute angels, we hope that you are enjoying this jungle scenery with cute animals drawing. You are having fun while drawing, and I really hope that you have enjoyed our interesting facts also. Do you feel smart now and ready for the jungle adventure? Well, not now though. Till we meet next time with another drawing on Fun Drawing with Piyali, keep watching. fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.